Alright, now check this out. I've got the Samsung Gallery application here. When I try to open it, it is asking me to use the PIN or the biometrics to unlock the application. And every time I do that, every time I try to open the application, it is going to ask me to use the PIN or biometrics. So basically, I have locked the Gallery application and I don't really have to lock the phone to make sure that the Gallery app is locked. Now, obviously, this is not the application lock feature on Samsung Galaxy phones. This is done using a few simple steps, and we can lock any of the applications on your Galaxy phone on One UI. Let me go ahead and tell you how exactly you can do this. But before that, if you're new here on the channel and if you love tips and tricks regarding Android and Samsung Galaxy phones, then go ahead, subscribe to the channel. A lot of you guys who watch my contents every day have not subscribed yet. When you subscribe, you get to learn a lot and I get motivated to keep posting more and more content for you guys. So go ahead, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the like button. Now, the first thing that you need is an application called Shortcut Maker. Now, this application is available on Play Store. You can go ahead and download it from the Play Store. You can see this is the icon and this is the name of the application. I will leave a link for this anyways in the description. Now, this is a powerful application through which you can discover various different shortcuts for the applications, functions, or activities. Now, here what we're going to do is we are going to tap on Applications. Now, here, let's say I want to lock My Files application. I search for My Files and I tap on that, and here you get an option to lock the application using biometrics or PIN. Here it is, we've got the toggle lock shortcut, secure shortcut with biometric lock or PIN. Just enable this and tap on create shortcut. We've got some conditions for the widget, just ignore it. Tap on don't show this again, got it, and tap on add. Now, this shortcut has been added on the home screen. You can see I have got the My Files application here, which is the original My Files. I will still be able to open this. And this is the one which I've just locked using Shortcut Maker application. And you can see it is asking me the biometrics. Now, what you need to do is you need to hide the original application. For that, you have to press and hold on the home screen, tap on Settings. And here you will have this option hide applications on home screen and app screen. Now here search for the application for which you just created the shortcut. Now here we have created the shortcut for My Files. I will select My Files and tap on done. Now this application is hidden. Now here if someone searches for the application, let's say My Files, it will not be available on the Finder or on the application tray. Now you see here, let me search for My Files under M. We don't have My Files application here and it is hidden from your home screen as well. But what is not hidden is the shortcut which you have just created on the home screen. Now to make it look uniform, I have removed the application names here. The app labels have been removed. To remove that, what you need to do is you need to go to Home Up, tap on App Icon Settings, and here disable Show Item Label on home screen. Of course, you need a Home Up application to do this. You need to install Home Up from Goodlock. Once you install it, you will get these options. When you press and hold on the home screen, if you have enabled Home Up, you will see Home Up option right over here. When you tap on that, you will get this pop-up. Under App Icon, you can disable the Show Item Label on app screen. As simple as that. Now, the app that you have selected under Shortcut Maker has been locked with your fingerprint or PIN. Every time you try to open the application, it will ask for the fingerprint, and this is an alternative to any other third-party app lock applications, because most of the third-party applications for locking the application comes with advertisements, or you will have to go for premium, and the UI is bad and it is not really intuitive. Instead of installing all those applications, just install Shortcut Maker application and search for a specific application and create a shortcut on the home screen after enabling the lock shortcut feature. That's pretty simple, isn't it? Let's hope Samsung offers default app lock feature on the Galaxy phones on One UI. They haven't added it yet, and all of us are waiting for this feature. Drop a comment and let me know what you think about these steps. If you like it, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That's all I have here. Hope you have already downloaded our Volverse wallpaper application. There are some incredible wallpaper collections on this app. Do go ahead and check it out. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.